When it comes to Adobe Flash support in Linux, it's similar to the issue of multimedia support in general. The Adobe company maintains its own repositories. Flash isn't an open source software, so due to policy reasons, it can't be included in the official repository. Anyway, this is not much of a problem, because the Adobe company has developed Flash version for Linux. If you use OpenSUSE, you can download it directly from Contrib repository. Fedora users should add the repository that can be found on the Adobe website. To download Flash for Fedora, open the website in your browser. The browser should automatically detect the operating system you're using and provide you with the corresponding version. If something goes wrong, or if you want to download another version, you'll need to choose it manually. Once you download a correct version and open it, the repository containing the plugin will be automatically added and you will be able to install it. The version for Fedora is called Flash Plugin. In OpenSUSE, if you add the Contrib repositories, during the next system update, the system will ask you if you want to install the pull-in Adobe Flash packet. The packet will then download the right binary version and install it. The Adobe repository for Fedora also includes Adobe Reader for Linux. If, for some reason, none of the default Linux PDF readers, such as Ocular, meet your expectations, you can install Adobe Reader. The Linux version is identical to the Windows version. In fact, this is the recommended course of action, because tools such as Ocular, although they offer extensive functionalities, are not able to read all PDF files. Some of them are written in an unusual way, using very unusual tools. For some documents, only Adobe Reader will be able to correctly display the layout and formatting details. Just in case, let's now demonstrate how to install and use Flash Player in Linux. When you open the website given here, your web browser should automatically detect what type of system you're using. Next, choose the correct version of the program from the drop-down list. In our case, it's the Yum for Linux. If the browser makes a mistake in detecting your system, you can click on the link saying Different Operating System, where you can choose your system in both 32 and 64-bit versions. In VirtualBox, we're using a 32-bit Linux. Once you have selected the correct version and run it, an install wizard will appear. The Adobe repository will be added to the repositories already present in the system. It contains the Flash plugin and Adobe Reader. As you can see, the Flash plugin package has just been added to our system. Once the installation is complete, simply restart your browser to activate all new plugins.